In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to connect Nextbase dashcam to phone. Firstly, tap the dashcam button at the bottom and select Connect Dashcam. When you open the My Nextbase Connect app, now find and select your dashcam. Wait for your dashcam model to appear. The serial number should match the one on your device. Just tap on Connect. Wait for the dashcam to show up in the Select an Accessory window, and this may take up to 2 minutes. Tap on it when it appears. A Bluetooth pairing request will pop up. Check if the same code appears on your dashcam, then tap Pair. Your phone will try to connect the dashcam via Wi-Fi. If you have a VPN active, disconnect it, then tap Join when prompted. The app will check the firmware version of your dashcam. If it's not up to date, select Update, then click Continue. Your Nextbase dashcam is now successfully connected. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.